Hi, Amundson's class. 6.2 attributes of two-dimensional shapes. Ladies and gentlemen, attributes means like things about them, like characteristics, like descriptions. I don't think I ever told you that, so I'm telling you that now. Things about 2D shapes, okay? Yeah. Look at those first two words, closed shape and open shape. Do you or can you tell the difference between an open shape and a closed shape? Yes. I'm not going to say anything else about it. A polygon. A polygon is a very, very important part of this chapter. A polygon has four things, you guys. The first thing that we must have in order for a polygon to exist is it must be what? Shape. Secondly, it must be what? 2D. What does 2D also mean? Flat. Great. It must be made from what? Line segments. And the line segments may not do what? Nice job. Let's keep it up. If you have a shape with a dent in it, like right here, what kind of shape is that? Concave. If you have a shape that doesn't have a dent in it, maybe even has a stick out, or it's just a regular old shape with no dents, it's called? Convex. Guys, this is big. Regular polygons are polygons with all equal sides and angles. Take a look at this shape right here. First of all, what are these called? Right angles. They're little squares, right? Right angles measure how many degrees? 90. So are all these angles the same? Yes. Okay, now how do we know, or we have these little marks, I guess I should say, that are the same on all four sides of this shape. We call these marks what? That means all four sides are the same. So if all four angles and all four sides are the same, is it a regular polygon? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Is this a regular polygon right here? Well, let's see. Is this side and this side and this side all the same? Yes. Because they all have the same congruent marker, right? Is this angle, and this angle all the same? Yes. Because they all have the exact same congruent marker, right? Yes. So is it a regular polygon? Yeah, all of the angles and all the sides are the exact same, right? Yeah. Congruent means what? Now, an irregular polygon would literally be the opposite of a regular polygon. This is an irregular polygon because it does not have all sides and all angles the same. But are all the angles actually the same? Yes. Are all the sides the exact same? No, and we know that because this and this say, yeah, those two sides are the same. But they're different from these two sides, right? Yes. Because I have one angle marker here and two here. That means they're actually different size. Yes or no? Yes. So that's an irregular polygon. Is this an irregular polygon? Yes. What kind of angle is this? Right angle. Right angle. Is this angle and this angle, are they different? Yes. Is this side and this side and this side, are they all different sides? Yes. Yeah, we can tell by the congruent markers, yes? Yes. What do we call two lines that never intersect? If an angle is less than 90 degrees, it's called? Acute. And if it's bigger than 90 degrees, it's called? Obtuse. Trapezoids, rhombus, parallelogram. They're all great. We're not going to talk about what they are. All I want to talk about is a trapezoid. A trapezoid have two lines that never intersect. We know that these two lines are never going to intersect because they're marked with these things. What are those things called? Parallel markers. You guys are doing great. What's poly mean? Many. What's gon mean? Side. So a polygon has many sides, right? Three-sided shape is called a triangle. We know a triangle has three sides because the prefix is what? Tri. What does tri mean? 3. Quadrilateral has how many sides? 4. What does quad mean? 4. Look at all of these prefixes here, you guys. All of these prefixes actually are going to tell you how many sides they have because guess what hex means? 6. 6. You get the idea there? Yeah. Sweet. Can you use more than one word to describe a shape? So this shape could be described with all of these words. Yes. We cool?